Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC. It is July 21st, 2024. A beautiful Sunday. Back to the grind. Now, today's not a full day. I actually had 2 sales calls booked. I'm only going to go to one of them. The other one I'm going to put off till this week. I just we got other things we have to do today before I really get back at it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm headed out. This particular lady, she wants a single or double zone ductless heat pump mini split. So I'm going to go out here and see what she needs. I know they'll at least want one in the living space. I'm assuming the other area is probably their master bedroom. That's usually what people end up doing. So we'll see exactly what she needs. I don't think they really know. Which one leads me into talking about my sales process and what I do. I think it's pretty good advice. You know, these aren't customers, these aren't clients. These are your friends and neighbors, and that's the way I approach it. I don't look at the dollar signs. This is what feeds my family, but that's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a solution for them, putting myself in their place. Now this guy's going to pull out with a small little dune buggy. Putting myself in their place, and they're calling me for a reason, right? It's not, hey, I'm out here to sell you something. It's hey, we need you to give us a solution for our home. And that's the great thing about HVAC sales is, we have something that's going to change their quality of life. It's not like we're selling garage doors here. Which, I guess that could change your quality of life too. But you understand what I'm saying. It's your body's comfort that we are providing. So if you approach it that way, it'll never feel like a sales call. I'm always relaxed no matter what, because I don't pressure them into anything. A lot of the big companies around here and across the United States and in the world, actually, they push these sales schools. I don't have any formal sales training, which I'm sure you can tell, but that's a good thing. I don't want any sales training. Like I said, approach it like you're a friend. Yes, there is the money thing. Now, if you look at that as the last thing, it makes the sales process much easier. What I'm going to do is give them a solution. I already vetted them. I asked them if they had an idea, what these things generally cost, and they did. They've had a couple other bids. I always make sure and ask them that. Am I the last bid? Am I in the middle? And that changes how I'll approach things. Because if I'm going into it with them not knowing anything at all, then obviously the information I'm going to give them is going to be different. Because if someone else has already given them information, they already have some preconceived notions in their head, and I can either add to that, or I can steer them in a different direction if they were given bad information. So yeah, we're gonna go out here and see what we can do to help out these people. Real nice people out here. As you can see, this is beautiful scenery out here. We're just getting ready to cross the old Crooked River right now, or I'm sorry, Deschutes River right now. And yeah, you gotta love it on a Sunday. I'm gonna go see what I can do for these people, and then enjoy the rest of my Sunday with the family. We're gonna go pick up the dogs. We didn't get to the pet doggy daycare time yesterday to get them, so we're gonna go get them, and then just enjoy a nice Sunday. Maybe we'll get some thunderstorms later too. That'll be fun. So stay tuned. I'll see if I can get some shots on this sales call. Maybe a little walkthrough of what needs to be done. So stay tuned. All right, guys, just leaving that sales call. I didn't get any shots there. Again, kids running around, a lot of pets, dogs barking, etc. Not conducive to any video. But you can see out here, it's beautiful. They live up on this awesome hillside. This is out between Crooked River Ranch and Sisters, kind of right in between, up here in no man's land, but it's great. Big windy gravel road I had to take all the way out here. So the scope of work is a very unique house architecturally that's going to take some doing, but I found a place that we can put a wall unit in the main big living area. It's got a big living area with a loft, and then up on the loft is a bedroom that we're going to put another one. So not out of the ordinary for my scope of work. And then in looking at that, she wants to get one put in the garage bedroom loft. There's a detached garage that has a bedroom loft where their daughter is currently living, and they want to get a ductless put up there. So that's cool. And it's still morning, and it was boiling up there in that room. So they got plenty of panel space on the main house. I'll have to run this picture of the electrical panel by my electrician, because it's pretty loaded. They might have to do a sub panel or something for it, but we'll see. But for the bedroom loft above that detached garage, it's got plenty of space, because we're going to remove a baseboard heater to make space for the mini split. So that's the scope of work on that. Like I said, I rescheduled my other. Hold on, it's real bumpy through here. I don't want to be grunting while I'm talking. I rescheduled my other sales call for later this week. Like I said, I'm going to be on that 3-zone Mitsubishi doing the ducted portion on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm going to give myself 3 days just because it's going to be a bear up there. I'm going to take my time, and I'll get you guys some cool video of how those things are put together. And I want to do a disclaimer on it too, that it's going to be cramped in there, so if it needs to be serviced, it'll have to be removed and pulled out of there. If the drain pan or any of the coil or anything needs to be serviced, it'll have to get yanked out, detached from its duct and yanked out the hole. It's just the way it is. It's really the only way to get them efficient heating and cooling up there. So when I'm doing the job, I don't want any super techs telling me that I'm installing it wrong, because I'm fully aware of the serviceability of those units, but sometimes you do what you got to do. And I've had those concealed ducted units installed for, I got one up in Washington. It's been installed for 20 years, never needed any servicing, as long as you put a good filter in there and keep it clean. So I'll take my chances on that. What else am I going to say? Oh, so back to the sales information. So I treated these people like I knew them for 30 years. Friendly people, so I was friendly back. We didn't even talk about cost or anything. I try to not talk about that. She has a general idea, because they just did a remodel, and they put a 2-zone ductless for these back 2 bedrooms that are off the main house. So they know what it entails. They have a general idea of the cost, as long as the guy that did the one before me wasn't a low baller. Sorry if my voice is vibrating. This is a very bumpy road. So yeah, it was more about what can I do to get you guys comfortable in here, because it was hot, especially up on the loft in the main house, and obviously that bedroom loft above the garage, just unbelievable. And it's been so smoky around here. It's actually a little bit better now that they're not able to crack their windows at night to cool off. So that's what gets me busy. In a good way, it's a good thing. You want people to be healthy in their home and give them a good environment, and that's what we do. So in closing, yeah, just a quick check-in on a Sunday. I got lots of content coming up this week. Lots of fun content, informative, interesting. So stay tuned. Got a lot more for you this week.